Hello, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you a few options that were just currently made available in the new Google Sites. There's been a big demand on being able to embed code in the new Google Sites, and the Google team finally gave that option available to its users. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So as you can see, I am already logged into my Google account and I have my web page open using the new Google Sites, of course. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert some embed code on this page here, the G Suite for Education page. So I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom. And what I'm going to do here is just double click on an empty spot and I'm going to select the option for embed. Now I could have took the embed option over here on the right side in the panel, but I always double click in the area that I'd like to insert it. So once I do that, I select embed. And before, we only had by URL, and you were only able to insert the URL address of your link here. But now you can see embed code is available. So if I select embed code, it brings up the HTML text box for you to insert your embed code from your third-party tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Symbaloo, and I am already logged into my Symbaloo account, and I am going to take the embed code from this grid and insert it into my Google site. So in Symbaloo, I select share, and I want to hit here embed code. And I'm simply going to copy the embed code out of this area. So I select it, hit Control C or right click copy. And now I can go back into my Google site and I can paste the embed code right in here into the HTML text box. So I can right click paste, or I can do Control V and I select next. And it's going to give me a preview of what it's going to look like. So if it's okay, I click insert. And there is my Symbaloo. And I can adjust the size of it by clicking and dragging. If I wanted to move it more in the center, I can click and drag and move it more in the center. And basically, if I want to make sure that it's displaying correctly, I can publish my Google site. And at this point, I can go visit my website, or I can actually just click preview here. And on my G Suite for Education page, I scroll down to the bottom, and there's my Symbaloo. So you can see that the embed code feature does work, and it works beautiful. I'm so happy that they made this feature available in the new Google Sites. The next feature that I want to go over is footers. So they also made footers available in the new Google site. So right here you can see I have a footer for my Google site, and what footers are going to do is it's going to display on every single page in your website. So I'm going to edit this footer, and let's just take it out. And now you can see here it's prompted me when I hover over it to add a footer. So I can click add footer, and I'm going to type this in. I can format it. All right, I can bold it if I wanted to bold it. Let's make it small, bold. And I could center it. All right, and now this footer will appear on every single page on my website. So I'm going to hit preview. And you can see here on the bottom, It appears right here. Now if I go to a different page and scroll down to the bottom, there's my footer again. If I go to the home page, my footer is displayed on the bottom. So those are two new features that are available in the new Google Sites. I hope you found this screencast helpful.